ready for the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Asu Adhikari and I'm from this beautiful city Pokhara. I am a pharmacist by profession and I have been applying to help people in need regarding healthcare services and issues.
What does your parents do?
Mm, my parents are both of my parents are teachers. They have been teaching from early 80s and I have been um, I have been learning from them for almost 25 years now.
What is the subject that you would like to study abroad?
As I am a pharmacist by profession and my major was bachelor's in pharmaceutical sciences, I prefer to study Masters in Pharmaceutical Sciences, majoring in pharmacology, which deals with studies in medicine and how to prepare drugs and its elements, therapeutical uses, and many more.
Good. Let's speak about sports. Are sports good for students?
Mm, Most of the students in their early days of school are taught to do outdoor exercises, including sports, which train them mentally and physically to be fit enough for the days to come and learn from them in the near future.
What are the three benefits of sports to us?
Mm, um, in my opinion, there are lots of benefits of doing sports. Namely, the first thing that crosses my mind when thinking about sport is one makes sport makes a child or a person physically fit. And the second one is it develops the mental cognitive behavior which may be useful for later life, and the third is problem solving and task achieving ability, which will introduce some strength in mental processing and many more in a children.
Should schools make sports a regular activity?
um, Primary and tertiary schools are focused on academic careers more than extra curricular activities. However, in my opinion, I believe actively introducing outdoor activities like sports will fascinate students in variant ways, and yes, I do believe they should introduce sports.
Let's speak something about traveling.
Yes, sir.
Do you like traveling?
Mm, to be particular, I'm an extroverted person, and my enthusiasm and passion for traveling and discovering new places oblige me to choose traveling over anything else. So yes, I love traveling.
Have you ever been abroad?
Not particularly, but I have come to the borders of India, which is near to a village, and I went there for some health activities. Therefore, not too close to another country, but yeah, I have experienced the culture of India in a way.
What are the three benefits of the traveling?
Um, Visiting new places and introducing ourselves to the new environment have has many pros and cons. To me, in my opinion, traveling makes a person active in regards of their daily activities. The next, the traveling makes person experience new cultural norm. Moreover, traveling encourages linguistic education as well. And more.
Do you prefer solo traveling or in a group?
It depends on the situation. Most specifically, when I am interested in doing a particular job, or I have been sent to something to achieve, I prefer traveling alone, which gives me a mental opportunity to discover myself. Whereas when the purpose of if the purpose of traveling is having fun or a family meeting or anything related to entertainment, I prefer going and joining the groups.
All right. Now we enter into part 2. It is now I give you cue card. Okay, so it's a question. You should read it. You have 1 minute time, and this is a paper. You can make notes and the pencil. Now you have 1 minute time. After then you have to speak for 2 minutes.
Do I start?
Yeah, please start. All right, your time is over. Please start speaking.
Thinking about a recent seminar I have attended was a seminar that must be 2 years back, because it was summertime, and the seminar was about benefits of healthcare in our society, and this took place in Buddha complex in which is near to my home, only almost 2 kilometers away. Moreover, in the busy area and the busy schedule of teachers and all the professionals, they took out the time to conduct. It was more of like a symposium, and all of the students from globally were around there, and I was lucky in that regard to attend that opportunity. The seminar was about, as I mentioned earlier, the seminar was about benefits of healthcare in our society. The subjects of the main topics they introduced were how should we counsel the underprivileged one. It also took notes on improving the health and living perspective of women in our society who are of the people of reproductive ages, and all the women were counseled about the health safety. They should be taking measures. Moreover, the subject, the particular reason the seminar is was so attractive, and it crosses my mind still today, is that the topic was not only about women's health or people's negligence to healthcare system or our opinion towards it. It created a new perspective of how we see life in this regard. We are more concerned about what happens when what happens tomorrow, then referring it as, if we live a healthier life today, it can lead to a massive or humongous benefits and pros in the near future.
Very good. Your time is over. All right, I take it back. Yes. Could you please give me pencil also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Do you have a well-furnished seminar hall in your town?
As my town is educational hub of many institutes and educational programs, we do have some locations where there are ample of furnitures and good infrastructures to conduct a seminar or conference. They are located in Pokhara.
Are seminars productive, or they are the waste of money and time?
Seminars not only provide information about the specific topic, they create an opportunity for people to interact with each other and share their views. As a result, these opportunities provide people with a plethora of conditions to live technically good life in future.
What was the subject of the seminar that you had attended in the recent past?
As I mentioned earlier, it was related to healthcare issues, and the topics enforced my mind to think about all the possible issues happening in my country about healthcare programs and management.
Do you like the way seminars are organized, or you want some changes in the nature of the seminars which are being organized nowadays?
Previously, the seminars were conducted by a bunch of teachers and the one who were about to start it. But later, nowadays, it has changed a perspective of people, as organizers are best suited people for the kind of project, and they call the organizers and start implementing the infrastructures or sound quality and the benches, furniture, everything 2 or 3 days ago, before the seminar itself. So I like it.
What is your favorite subject in a seminar that you like to participate in?
Mm, why it has been quite a while. I thought about this topic, but when I was a child, there was a topic in wildlife and the animals. I would want that thing to come again, and which was interesting because it would create the imaginary world. Is beyond our horizons, whereas creating animal issues, creating they were also creating animal issues and the sound of animals using sound effects, VFX, and there were even 3D pictures which I will like to introduce to our generation so that they can learn from it.
So thank you very much. Your interview is over, and best of luck for the real examination.
Thank you.
God bless you.